Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create Instagram page for affiliate marketing. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Instagram, you would use our link in the description down below and you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Instagram is one of the best platform that you can use to post some of your affiliate products. As you can see, when you go to the Instagram, you can see some posts about affiliate marketings, like affiliate products that they promote. Some of the content creators promotes on their page, and that's why they can earn money using their Instagram. So now I'm going to show you how to do that, or what is the what are the best steps to do that. So now, as you can see, if you want to use your Instagram as an affiliate marketing uh, medium, well, of course, you need to be an affiliate associate. For example, you have Shopify or Wix that has your products, that where you sell your products. Or yeah, you need to have website. Or for example, like this, Amazon, you need to have Amazon associate, so that you can sell some products from here to your Instagram, or you can promote your products from Amazon to Instagram. And also, I recommend you to use Linktree too, so that if you have different kinds or different platforms, different website that you use, you can just stack them right here and connect your Linktree in your Instagram. So yeah, that's it. So now, first, what you're going to do is to go to more and make sure that you have a professional account. So go to settings, and right here on settings, go to professional account right here, and fill up this information right here: your email, WhatsApp number, and phone number. And also the category, you can change whatever category you're under. So if you're selling product or service, art; if you're under music and or band; if you're shopping and retail, health, beauty products, grocery stores, yeah, it's up to you. So that's it. And if you choose that, just put your WhatsApp number and your phone number, and after you put all of that, just click submit. And after you click submit, just go. You will now have advertising tools unlock on your Instagram account. You can use websites. So as you can see, I didn't activate my professional account. But yeah, if you activated your professional account, you will now have this website, and you can just paste the link of your website right here. I recommend you to just upload the link of your Linktree account right here, so that it includes all of your website. And right here, you can just edit some of this also other information. You can change your profile to whatever suits your business. And also, you can add some bio. So bio is one of the uh, most important part of your profile, so that if your possible customers see it, if they look persuasive, or what, just put some persuasive bio right here that you can use to to promote your business right here. And also, you can just put your link tree right here instead on this blank right here in this website tab. So yeah, that's it. So now, what you're going to do now, for example, I'm going to go to my Amazon associate account. So I'm an Amazon affiliate associate. So now, for example, I want to sell uh some of my products right here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So yeah, for example, I'm going to sell this product right here. I'm going to get the link, since I am an Amazon associate. So I'm going to get this link right here. So get link, and I can use this Amazon link right here. I'm going to copy it, paste it right here on my link tree. So for example, I'm going to add a collection. So this is one of my collection right here. So let's say Amazon products. So let's just put Amazon products right here, and add a new link, or drag and drop an existing link. So now I'm going to add a link on this collection. So right here, I'm just going to click this one plus button and click a link, paste the link, this, paste the Amazon link right here and click add. And let's just wait. So right here, the product has been added. Same thing again if I want to sell more products. Example, I'm selling this one. Same thing again, get link. Okay, copy and paste it again right here. Yeah, it's up to you, but it's much more easier if you're using Shopify. Just Shopify account or Wix account, where you have a website, and right there you have products that you sell on your website. Well, just go add the website links right here. Just click add and paste your website link right here. And after you're done pasting all of your links or putting all of your website or platforms that you use for your business right here. What you're going to do now is to copy your link tree URL. So just click this one. As you can see, after you click it, it says copied. So now you already copied your link tree account. And right here, just go to your profile and put it on the website, or on your bio itself. So as you can see, if you want to make some good bio, you can use some AI. You can use ChatGPT if you want. So yeah, for example, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to make me a bio. Make me, yeah, since for example, I'm making a clothing business. So yeah, right here. So as you can see, the ChatGPT gave me a bio that I can use on my Instagram. I can just copy it and paste it right here and here, right here. So as you can see, I'm done editing my bio. So now what I'm going to do is to submit it, to save the change, and go to my profile. And as you can see, if I uh, restart my uh, page, as you can see, the link tree is already right here. So what I'm going to do next, so to what you can do next to improve your to now promote your affiliate marketing, to maximize the affiliate marketing, just post some uh, just create some posts that promotes your business right here. So just click create, and create a post. For example, like every week, just create a post every week that promotes your business, and make sure that it has a catchy description. And make sure that you mention, for example, on the description, just add "see in my bio" for my products, so that they can look for your bio right here, and they can see your link tree, and if they click on it, they will be redirected right here, and they will see your website and your products itself. So yeah, that's it. That's the most important part. You need to have so you need to post consistently on your Instagram, that uh and make sure that it attracts your audience. It attracts large audience, and a larger audience attracted, better result. So yeah, you need to improve your posting too. And if you're having problem, just ask ChatGPT to make some you know best description for your post. And yeah, it's up to you. You can use many tools if you want to improve your post. And also you can boost your post. As you can see, if you click right here, there's a boost post that you can use. And right here, you can just boost your post to attract more audience, to make it an ad. So yeah, make sure that every post you created, make sure that you boost it, so it can attract more audience. And yeah, you can attract more customers. And yeah, that's it. So mostly that's it. That's how you can use Instagram to for your affiliate marketing. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.